Hi everyone, in today's video we are at my amazing sponsor for Lock & Load's shop and we're going to just run through some essential bits of kit for the horse ready for the 2018 event season. So first up is a really good bit of kit, a safety tap. If anybody is trying to stud up fresh horses in March and or fidgety horses doing their studs and just redoing their threads, if the horse stands down on a normal thread, it can do a lot of damage to the shoe, the foot, cause lameness, bruise the sole. So these are nice and rubbery, and they only have a thin bit, just enough to go into the actual thread in the stud hole, and it makes it a whole lot safer, especially with those fresh horses. Okay, so the next bit of kit is absolutely fantastic. I use these all the time on my yard. The Smart Grooming Smart Tails thinning rake. It really gives the effect of having a pulled tail. We don't pull tails on the yard, so it's a really kind way, but getting a really good effect and defining the horse's quarters. So yeah, really good. And even better is that they now have a replacement blade, so you don't have to go and buy a whole new one. You can just click the replacement blade on. So really good. Okay, so product number 3 is Diamond White Shampoo. For grey horses, this is just absolutely fantastic. You really can get the most horrific stains out. So white socks or just whole grey horses. Yeah, just give it a good scrub in and wash it off, and really good shampoo. Okay, so the next product is your good old Show Sheen for that show ring shine. Really important, and it just gives that final finishing touch on the horse's coats when they're going out to competitions. Okay, and again, the finishing touches on the horse's appearance, the Super Shine hoof polish. This is the black one. They also do clear. It's really quick drying, so that helps when you're got your hands full and you don't want stuff to get stuck to it. It gives a really good finish to the hooves, and I mean the black one, if you have black hooves, then it really does give a good effect. So yeah, good bit of kit to just have ready in the lorry. Okay, so our final product is Ice Vibe boots. They are cold therapy, so they help with treat strains and anything, ligaments and tendons. So as well as we all know, keeping the horse's legs nice and cold to prevent injury. Also, they massage and help with circulation. They can also just be sort of used as preventative, so before exercise, and part of a rehab. If you've got a horse with a problem and is on box rest, you can use them. And then obviously we use them for after cross country and strenuous exercise. So Ice Vibe boots, if you're interested, all the staff at Lock & Load are really helpful and will always talk you through all the benefits of using them. Okay, so those are top bits of kit that we wouldn't be without on the lorry. So yeah, they'll be starting our season with us. So if you're interested in any of the products, you can find them on forlockandload.com. Again, and you can speak to the staff here, they're really helpful. And you can also, if you're interested in any of the products that you've seen or I've mentioned today, you can use the GG Eventing code and get 10% off. So thank you very much for watching. You can find me on Facebook, GL Equestrian and GG Eventing, my website, glequestrian.co.uk, and on Twitter, GG Eventing. And remember, please check out our sponsors, forlockandload.com. Speak to you soon.